Hi there. Today I will discuss about 7 best alternative of ChatGPT. Except one, all will be free, means you can use without purchasing any plan. The first that will come in my list is Claude. Claude is a powerful AI known for its long memory, deep reasoning, and safe, thoughtful responses. Its best feature is natural conversation over long documents or chats. The free version of Claude is also available. You can see currently I'm on free plan. You can easily start your script with the help of this Claude. You just have to write your prompt in the Claude and let the Claude will help you. The next that will come is Gemini. It's my favorite one. Developed by Google, Gemini integrates seamlessly with Gmail, Docs, and YouTube, making it ideal for productivity. Is tight integration with Google's ecosystem and real-time web help. As I said, most of these are free, and Gemini is also in that list. Sign in your account whether you are using Google or any, and use the Gemini AI. Next one will be Perplexity. It's also one of the best, and why it's best. Here you can see an icon choose a model. If I click on it, below, you will see I can choose different models, like Sonar, Claude. Also Gemini is here. You can also use ChatGPT free. Simply create an account with the help of your Google, or any that you prefer. Fourth one is Mistral Air. Mistral offers fast, multilingual AI models built with open source tech and flexible deployment. Its top feature is lightweight, privacy-focused models available for developers and enterprise use. You can also use it for free, and also it's available all different platforms like Hugging, Face, OpenRouter. Fifth is Pi. It's designed for emotionally intelligent conversations, acting like a supportive and friendly coach. Its key feature is empathetic dialogue with a calm, natural tone for daily support. It's completely free to use. And here is the Jasper. Unfortunately, Jasper is the only tool which you can't use for free. If you want to use it, then you have to purchase a plan. And in that plan, it will allow you to use 7 days free trial. It is really good in marketing, with strong brand voice tools, templates, and team collaboration features. Its best feature is content creation for blogs, ads, and emails with consistent brand tone. The last one is you chat a web-connected AI assistant with search results, summaries, and live web browsing. Its standout feature is real-time web access blended into an AI chat format. It's also free to use. So these are the 7 best alternatives for ChatGPT, and that's it.